This is where things got interesting. Could the Clarkson team produce enough fuel, with enough scale, to transform it from an experiment into an everyday reality? Could they actually pull it off and make it practical without blowing something up, so to speak?
So to speak.
All the equipment and materials have arrived. Design has been checked, double-checked, and triple-checked. Now, it's time to build.
What I like best about our project is that it's active. It's not discussing something and saying, well, something could be done. We're actually going out and doing something, which I think is really cool.
Show me what's coming out of each of those.
The flow is comprised into 3 different stages. First, you're going to connect up to the casino's used vegetable oil, and that hose will go through a filter, turn on the pump, travels through, and then it goes to the top of our filtered storage tank.
So where is the diesel being added?
After you complete the pumping of stage 2 with the oil, you will be adding the diesel into the mixing tank. From there, you would have a full mix.
What's the mix ratio?
Mix ratio depends on temperature outside. In the winter, we're contemplating a 10% mix, which would be 10% oil and 90% diesel fuel. Whereas in the summer, we can go up to a 40% mix, 40% oil, 60% diesel fuel.
So the air emissions then will go down roughly the same 40%
Yes.
in the summer. So we'll have 40% fewer particulates entering the air.
Yes. All right, let's test it. Here we go.
Everything's set up, right? So that when he blew the air through, it went through the flow meter and we got a count, which means that stuff's gonna flow through. So that's always a good thing.
I felt this project was tied very closely to serving others. So it's really good to see our engineering experience go directly to other people.
How about the mixing process then? How does that work?
You would open the second valves, these 2.
Huh?
Turn on your pump, and this line will go into the front mixing tank.
Okay.
You record the amount of gallons that you transferred. Say you transferred 20 gallons and you want 20% mix, then over there you would put in your diesel at the pump for the right amount of mix. This line goes to a final filter, and then out of the filter into your destination.
Well, it seems pretty simple.
Okay.
Great. I'm glad you guys kept it simple. I like simple. Well, thanks, guys. This looks great. And we're really excited to start using it. And we'll have to keep in touch and let you know how things are going.
Okay, it's been nice working with you.
Nice working with you guys, too. Yeah, thank you, guys. Really appreciate it.
Thanks for the opportunity.